Well, we've had some heavy rains. We've had heavier rains since we've lived here, but we've never seen the basement flood like this before. It's got to be 4 inches of water in here. It's never gone past this table. It only happened once, except for the sewer eruption. It's all the way back here, all the way to the very back of that wall. I just redid all the drywall in here because of the sewer. I think the previous owners had to have known that this happens, which now makes me wonder about the foundation of the house, which I thought was built like a tank. My husband's thesis is in here. Just barely getting to that. Wow. Another thing that just couldn't possibly show up on an inspection. Oh my God. Yep, that's bad. Not happy.